Well, take a look at the stock price of ABB in today's trading session and you can see a massive surge, and that's rightly so because investors seem to be loading the healthy set of numbers that the company delivered. So this time around, the stock has soared above its 50 daily moving average. In fact, volumes are close to 8 times the last 1 month average as the company has posted a twofold jump in their profit, and that has been driven by higher volumes, a better product mix as well as higher services content. So the profits for the quarter gone by have come in at 373 crores. Remember, this is Q1 FY22. This is a 164% jump on a year-on-year basis. The total income stands at about 1,968 crore rupees, which has grown nearly 20% on a year-on-year basis. And margins as well on an operational basis have been strong. Margins have come in at 9.5% versus 6.3% on a year-on-year basis. The company's total orders as well have surged to 2,291 crore rupees, and that's the highest for the first quarter in the last 5 years that the company has delivered. Some of the key orders that the company has received include rectifiers for a global diversified natural resources major, cloud deployed SCADA, AI tools for a leading gas company, distribution solutions equipment for steel and grouting companies, among many others. The cash position as well for ABB has been healthy, and at the end of the quarter stands at about 2,707 crore rupees. Now, in addition to this, the company has seen a very healthy increase in their overall export orders. This is across multiple businesses. Take a look at the segmental performance as well, and that has been robust for ABB across the board. For instance, the robotics and discrete automation revenues stood at about 64 crore rupees versus 47 crores on a year-on-year basis. The company has delivered strong motion revenues as well to come in at 716 crore rupees versus 631 crores on a YOY basis, as there has been very strong uptick this time around in the HV as well as LV motors. The electrification revenues stand at about 861 crore rupees versus 632 crores on a year-on-year basis, and the company has seen pretty strong orders in the smart power and distribution business. The process automation as well has gained from the conversions in the steel industry and the refinery segment, and here revenues stand at about 342 crore rupees versus about 325 crores on a yearly basis. Not just that, ABB has seen a seamless backlog execution. There has been healthy export growth despite the kind of geopolitical concerns that we've seen with Ukraine and Russia of late, and the company has said that going forward they are going to continue to focus on profitable execution of the large and diversified order book that they have. And they've also said that the company going forward does stand to benefit when it comes to business opportunities. They're going to render greater sustainability. That's going to be a focus point as well for the company, and efficiency in a lot of their core sectors when it comes to sectors like energy, metals, railways, as well as metro and cement.